Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So we're obviously really looking for that level, and we basically bounced off this fractal. So level we were waiting for was 5200 or 5194, but 5221 was also one of those little levels that we needed to pay attention to. So we ended up with a massive engulfing bar. It has taken out the whole week sideways motion. So I suspect we are going to challenge the high at 52.70. Should be a pretty muted day today. It's the day before a long weekend for most of the world. So typically the volumes already be low. I mean, they were low yesterday already. So yeah, I'd just be very cautious. You obviously still want to ride this thing to the upside, but I think sort of early part of the session is where you want to get your trade in and then get out, and then also enjoy the long weekend. So looking for the 3 hour, you can see the engulfing bar quite clearly. You can see how we battled here, basically a double bottom on this level. So with this tail going past the previous swing low at 52.21, that validates that and brings it into play. And then you can see the second attempt there, 3 hour inside bar on it, and we rallied off that. Just one exhaustion bar pretty much. So now what you're looking for is, where is my buying opportunity? And you can see there is a pin bar right over here at 52.48, but we're at this 52.50 area again, so this is where it becomes interesting. It's been a battle around here, as you can see. Quite a few days we've been battling around 52.50, 52.48, and it drops a bit lower, a bit higher. But this is the zone that I would be paying attention to. I'm going to get one more in. So what I'm looking for is 52.51. I'm looking for 52.50 or 52.48. I want to see price come back and test this area, hold it for another move to the upside. And first prize is going to be the previous all-time high. There is a bit of a range bar tail up there. That's at 52.67. The high is at 52.70. Don't be too surprised to see, well, I'm sorry, it's not 52.70. It's 52.68.69. So don't be too surprised to see sort of a base here and then an acceleration through here and then just drift sideways. I don't think you're going to see many sellers up here, to be honest. So that's kind of my view. Yesterday's trade was definitely there. So you often come back for the opening gap, and there was an opening gap, as you can see, right at 52.23. So now more often than not happens. It's probably a high 65%, 70% probability that it happens at the open. So it's always wise just to wait for that first 15-minute bar of the open, and you can see there it is there, which was not quite an engulfing, but an inside type of breaching bar. Difficult to call it as something, but then you immediately got going with 3 strong bars, and then into, so it's a spike down and into a channel. There's your actual signal right there. Inside bar right off the level, closes the gap, and your level was 52.21 inside bar, and then you start building the base up before accelerating up. Kind of the converse of what happened yesterday. So for today, same kind of scenario, and I would actually just add one more level in, well, 2 more levels, sorry, because anything's possible. So you could see this thing drift all the way down to 52.44, 52.41, or 42 area. That would be an interesting entry, but I think this is the one that you need to pay attention to. So it's either 52.51, 52.50, or 52.48. You're looking for a buying opportunity off there, and you're looking to take profit at 52.67, and then you're looking to take your long weekend. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you when? Next Tuesday, I think it is. Enjoy the long weekend, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.